Artoonza.
Hey, tiny artists. Before we start, can you tap that like button for me? Go on, give it a tiny boop. Perfect. Now listen, today we're drawing a giant swirl carnival lollipop. And no, you cannot eat it. I already tried. Very disappointing. But wait, what if this lollipop gets covered in glitter so shiny it blinds your pet goldfish? And then we summon a tiny naughty vacuum to clean the mess like a sneaky little hero. Sounds normal, right? Exactly. Grab your marker. Let's spin this swirl into something huge. And trust me, the colors coming next are absolutely wild.
Aw, so cute.
This giant swirl carnival lollipop drawing is getting so big and twisty, I think it just invented a new flavor called Super Mega Rainbow Yum. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Give us a big thumbs up. And now, the lollipop is just sitting there, looking plain and a little nervous. So we decided to help. Plop red, plop orange, plop yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Suddenly, it's a full rainbow party, and nobody sent invitations, but everybody showed up anyway. The lollipop didn't ask for this. But honestly, it's thriving.
Aw, so cute.
Stay close because next comes the most magical part yet. Okay, so the colors are just sitting there in little globs going, "Excuse me, are you going to blend us or just stare?" Fair point. We grab our brushes like tiny fearless color wizards and we swirl and swirl and swirl. Red whispers to orange, orange flirts with yellow, yellow bumps into green, green winks at blue, and suddenly this lollipop is basically the most popular candy at a carnival that doesn't even exist
Aw,
yet.
so cute.
Smash that like button now. Each stroke feels like painting a little dream onto paper. It's getting almost too pretty, suspiciously pretty. Like it might just peel itself off and go show off at the carnival. But we're not done yet. Keep those brushes moving because this is where the magic gets real.
Wow!
Big kiss, superstars! Wait, don't go! Click another video. We've got crazier drawings hiding here.